Missed a connecting flight? What happens to my luggage? Missed your connection and thinking, did my bag ditch me? Here's the play-by-play. If you're rebooked on a later flight, your luggage is usually re-tagged to follow you, but whether it flies without you depends on route and security rules. On many international services, bags are offloaded when the passenger misses the flight. On some domestic routes, like within the US, unaccompanied bags can still fly. So don't wait at a random carousel. Head straight to the airline's baggage service desk. Hand over your claim tag and new flight details. Ask them to locate the bag and tie it to your updated itinerary. If your bag already left, they'll deliver it or hold it at your destination. If it didn't, they'll load it on your new flight. Overnight delay? Request a delayed baggage file number, essentials kit, and keep receipts for necessities. Track status in the airline app with your tag number. AirTag helps too. Final rule, before leaving the airport, always file a report if the bag doesn't show.